we are on Windows Server 2022 inside Remote Desktop Licensing Manager. So the activation process is really simple. We just need to identify and configure the basic parameters which we require for KL licensing activation. So for that purpose, here we go, click on the All Servers option, and under the All Servers, we find our RDS server. So we just right click on it, and here we have the properties option. We just click on the properties option. We just need to verify the required information over here, and here you can see I have already provided the detailed information about my first name, last name, the company name, and the region or state for my company. I just need to cancel it because I just want to verify this information. Now if I want to activate the KL licensing, so it's very easy. Just right click on the same server, and here we have the option install licenses. So we just need to click on the install licensing feature, and here we go. Welcome to the install licenses wizard. So here we go with the next option. We are just connecting with the Microsoft, and here we have a number of activation options regarding the KL licensing. So from the drop down list, we need to go with our own requirements. So right now we are going to select the enterprise agreement and just click on the next button, and here we just need to provide the agreement number which just provided by Microsoft or Microsoft partner program. Okay, so right now I'm going with just a demo number over here, and I just type the next button. Now it's showing further configuration options which are again very simple, and here if I click on the drop down menu, so I will find the server version. So right now I'm going with Windows Server 2022. So you can select as per your own requirement. And here the license type, that's the really important thing. We need to understand that generally when we are going to activate the remote desktop licensing, so we have two major options. The first one is per device, and the second one is per user. So these two options are used for two different scenarios. So the first scenario is for per device licensing. Let's suppose that I have a development server. It might be server 2019, 2016 or 2022, and I have 10 developers in a single team, and they will try to connect that specific server for the purpose of development. So in that case, where we have a single machine and have multiple users, so in this case I will select remote desktop services per device license, because in this case users are going to connect to a single device. While in the other side, if we talk about the RDS for user cal, so in this case if a user need to connect on multiple devices, let's suppose a user is trying to connect with the SQL services, and on the other hand it will try to connect some web services, and on the other side they try to connect with some kind of development machine. So right now in this case user is a single entity, while this single entity or the single resource try to connect multiple devices. So in this scenario we will definitely go with the second option. Okay, so we are going to select the remote desktop per device KL license, and here I just need to define the quantity. So I'm just provide the demo number over here and click on the next button, and it's almost done. Here you can see completing the install licensing wizard. Okay, so it's really simple option. You just need to understand your requirements, and according to your requirements you just need to install and set up the KL licensing feature. I hope you learn all the features, all the options regarding the KL licensing activation. Thank you very much.